World Van Lines, Global Relocation Solutions. We define our product in 2 words, services and solutions. World Van Lines is the most renowned Chilean removal and relocation company at both domestic and international levels. This leadership has been achieved through 4 decades, during which both our management and staff have learned to create and share a vision of excellence in service, clear philosophy of quality, a solid financial position, and reliable IT resources add up to allow us to offer the best service in the market. As full members of FIDI, our services have been approved 6 consecutive times by the FAME Audit, the highest standard of quality and performance in our industry. However, much more important for us is the support and the ever-increasing confidence received from more than 2,000 multinational and global companies. International and domestic removals, we do it better. Our work is to transfer not only your belongings but your home to any place in the world. We know how your personal assets matter in your life quality, so we handle them with care and efficiency. Relocation services. You, your family, and your household goods are the only focus of our daily work. LARM Chile activities are focused on solving all personal, family, domestic, and legal requirements of the destination country. Its staff job is to prevent and minimize obstacles to reduce cultural gaps. A high degree of personalization and dedication solves all possible hassles so you and your family adapt harmoniously to the new living and working environment. Warehousing and packaging. We carefully pack and store your belongings. We offer short, medium, and long-term warehousing in up-to-date facilities that comply with all required international safety regulations. Office removals. Experience and logistics enable removal and transfer with the least possible interference in commercial and industrial activities. Works of art and antique transport. Specialized in packing, transporting, and unpacking of unique objects, collections, and art shows, using high-quality materials to protect paintings, sculptures, and other objects of environmental aggression. Why choose us? Because we consider our customers the only aim of our daily work and consider your satisfaction the reason of our success and reputation. Because we invest time and resources to achieve a continuous improvement of our services and staff professional levels. Because we are innovative and keep our know-how in logistics and technology of our trade constantly updated. Because we like what we do and consider our leadership a responsibility. And most important, because we value the privilege of working hard for you, your family, and for your company. Memberships. FIDI, Global Alliance of Independent High-Quality Moving Companies. Omni, Overseas Moving Network International. LACMA, Latin American and Caribbean International Movers Association. YAM, International Association of Movers. IATA, International Air Transport Association. World Van Lines, since 1969. World Van Lines, Global Relocation Solutions. World Van Lines, relax, we take care of everything.